Your kids are spending hours online every day, watching videos, chatting with friends, and exploring the internet. But behind all that fun and excitement lurk some serious risks. What if I told you that the internet can be a dangerous place for your children, with threats like cyberbullying, inappropriate content, and online predators just a click away? But don't worry, there's a way to protect your kids without invading their privacy or constantly looking over their shoulders. Just to keep it real, I'm an affiliate for most of the companies I review, but I only recommend products I've personally tried and trust. If you're considering giving them a try, using the affiliate link below not only supports the channel, but also unlocks an exclusive discount you won't find otherwise. It's a great way to get the best deal while supporting the channel at the same time. There are many parental control apps available today, each offering its own set of unique features. From controlling screen time to monitoring calls, text, and social media, these apps give you the power to know exactly what your kids are up to online. But with so many options out there, which one should you trust? I've tried out some of the most popular ones, including Custodio, Bark, iO's, Norton Family, and of course mSpy. All of these apps have their strengths, but when it comes to offering a comprehensive suite of monitoring tools, ease of use, and overall reliability, mSpy really stood out to me. This app offers a wide range of monitoring tools, perfect for the modern parent who wants to stay informed about their child's online activity. Custodio and Bark both offer excellent monitoring capabilities. But where mSpy really excels is in its real-time tracking, social media coverage, and overall ease of use. iO's also offers some great features but falls short in terms of accuracy and user-friendliness. Let's dive into the features that set mSpy apart from other monitoring apps. First up, let's talk about monitoring calls and messages. If you're worried that your significant other might be hiding something, mSpy can help you check their call logs and messages. It works on both Android and iPhone, so you can see text from iMessage, WhatsApp, Facebook, and more. While it can't record calls, it provides details about call times and contacts, giving you a clear picture of communication patterns. Imagine having the ability to see who they are talking to and when, giving you peace of mind or confirming your suspicions. Another fantastic feature is GPS tracking. mSpy allows you to see the phone's location at any time, perfect for parents who want to ensure their kids' safety. You can even set up virtual boundaries and receive alert when the phone enters or leaves certain areas. This is great for ensuring your child is where they should be or for employers to monitor their workers' locations during work hours. With mSpy's GPS tracking, you'll always know the location of your loved ones or employees, providing an extra layer of security. One feature I find particularly unique is the keylogger. mSpy records every keystroke made on the monitored device. Whether it's messages, passwords, or search queries, you'll have a detailed log of all text entered. This can be incredibly useful for understanding exactly what's happening on the device. It's like having a digital diary of every action, making it easier to uncover any hidden activities. mSpy also offers discrete screen recording. This feature allows you to see the target device's screen in real time, almost like watching a live video. You can catch any inappropriate or harmful activity as it happens, ensuring you don't miss anything even if the user tries to delete it later. This real-time monitoring is crucial for immediate interventions and maintaining safety. And here's something really cool: remote access. With mSpy, you can monitor the target device from anywhere. Whether you're at home, in the office, or traveling, simply log into your mSpy account and see real-time activities on the device. Plus, mSpy operates quietly in the background, leaving no traces, so the user won't know they're being monitored. This feature is perfect for parents, partners, or employers who need to keep an eye on things without being detected. Now, let's dive into how to set up mSpy. It's incredibly simple and hassle-free. Create an account by clicking link in the description below and choose a subscription plan that fits your needs. After that, download the mSpy app onto the target device, and in just a few minutes, you're ready to start monitoring. The installation process is designed to be user-friendly, ensuring that even those with minimal tech skills can get it up and running quickly. The mSpy dashboard is user-friendly and easy to navigate. Even if you're not tech-savvy, you'll have no trouble using it. The dashboard is your command center, organizing all activities into different sections like screenshots, visited websites, and keylogger reports. It's designed to be straightforward and accessible, making it perfect for parents and caregivers. You'll have all the information you need at your fingertips, presented in an organized and intuitive way. Curious to see how it all looks and works? mSpy offers a free demo version, which you can access by link in description. This lets you explore the dashboard and get a feel for how data is presented before committing to a subscription. It's a great way to familiarize yourself with the features and ensure it meets your needs before making a purchase. If you ever need assistance, mSpy's customer support team is always ready to help. They're friendly, knowledgeable, and available to assist with any questions or issues you might have. Whether you need help with installation or navigating the dashboard, their support team is there to guide you every step of the way. Now, let's talk pricing. mSpy offers several subscription options: 1 month, 3 months, or 12 months. There's a discount for your first purchase. The 1-month plan is around $48, ideal for short-term monitoring. The 3-month plan costs around $28 per month, which is a better deal if you need monitoring for a slightly longer period. The best value, however, is the 12-month plan, which brings the cost down to around $11 per month. This long-term plan is perfect for parents who want to consistently monitor their child's activities or for anyone needing ongoing surveillance. So, if you're serious about keeping your kids safe online, mSpy is a fantastic option. It's user-friendly, offers a ton of powerful features, and gives you complete control over your child's digital activity. Want to give mSpy a try? I've included a discounted link in the description below where you can sign up and start protecting your kids today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews and helpful tips on keeping your family safe online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.